Alright, I'm back. Took me like 25 minutes to go back and get this spicy one. I know, go ahead and say it. Especially I can hear my wife just in my ear. And she's not even around me talking about, you so greedy. Oh, okay, this is different. They put some spicy, he ain't even put the pickles on here right. So they put some spicy little sauce on it. Okay. Here I go. I'm gonna try this one. Let me say my grace again. All right. Told you if you like this video, you can subscribe at deacondloveToeats.com. Here we go. Wow. Wow. This joker is spicy. But if you ask me, before you eat this sandwich, you make sure if you on that blood pressure medicine, you take that blood pressure pill. Because this thing is spicy. Woo. I'm in street mode now. It's spicy, and the sodium level has got to be 1,000 milligrams. But I'm gonna eat this joker because my doctor, I went the other day, they did tell me that I had so much good cholesterol. Ain't tell me about no bad cholesterol. And as much grease as I eat and fried food, I'm trying to figure out if I'm human or not. Oh, I bit my finger. So, to me, that's giving me the green light to fill up my suitcase. Meaning my stomach. Look at them lips working. I'm gonna be honest though. There's something I gotta get used to. Because, like I say, Chick-fil-A got a flavor with their sandwich that nobody but Chick-fil-A has. I bit my finger and it hurt. I guess you can call me Pac-Man too. I want. Wow. Woo! This joke is spicy. I mean, it's all right. As far as the hoopla, people fighting and stumping people over this sandwich. I don't see what the hype is about. Because you can actually order their chicken, regular chicken, and get the same results. Now, I think this is spicier than their chicken. But, ooh. Oh, my goodness. I better not. Ooh, this spice going to my stomach. You know what that means. Wow. I got to hurry up and get out of here. I'm like 45 minutes from the house. And I ain't got no diapers in here. And I'm sure not going inside that Popeyes. No siree, Bob. So if you know anybody who's still waiting on that Popeyes chicken sandwich, you tell them it has arrived. So get to your local Popeyes and get your eat on. I'm signing off. If you like this video, subscribe on the bottom. DeaconDLoveToEats.com. I'm out.